With the move towards cloud computing, I spoke to HPE Ireland's Maeve Culloty and Interxion's Séamus Dunne about the new HPE GreenLake Cloud Services pilot programme in Ireland. So what have you seen evolving in IT because of COVID-19?
What we're seeing is budgets are coming under huge scrutiny. So whilst we understand that online is going to take many businesses into the future, it also brings with it, how do you do that with the current budgets that you have today? How do you manage your data center environments with that budget? And in a lot of cases, that budget is actually reducing. We've also got the struggle of cloud and how do we migrate our data centers into, whether it's a public cloud or a private cloud, but virtualize that environment. And that's got to be part of a CIO strategy as they look forward 2 and 3 years hence.
But what we've also seen is people moving from kind of testing and speculating about new technologies, that will help the speed and agility and cost structure, to actually now coming to realize they need to implement, and they need to implement faster and sooner. It won't go back to normal. The other thing that I'm seeing is a desire to reassess the physical location of your data infrastructure. And in your own premise, in your own office, does not make any sense anymore. I think what's been happened here during this pandemic is the network and the network infrastructure, network capacity has gotten the biggest test it's ever gotten in its history. And it's passed. It's done very well.
Maeve, could you just tell me a little bit about the pilot programme with HPE GreenLake Cloud Services?
Very simply what it is a way to manage your cloud experience. And we know our customers are going towards a hybrid cloud environment. But what's really interesting with this pilot is putting the actual experience of GreenLake into the hands of Interxion and having our customers come and look at it, feel it, understand it, and really get the benefit of what it is Interxion can provide, if it's network connectivity or if it's, again, when it comes down to security, both physical and cyber security. It really is best in class with the likes of working with Interxion.
The idea of taking a test drive of HPE GreenLake in a production co-location data center facility with a real-life network operating for you where you can test and run your workloads takes the risk out of it. You can try it and see if it works for you.
So tell me then why Ireland was chosen for the pilot programme.
There's an awful lot of R&D happening for HPE GreenLake on the island of Ireland. And really what's underpinning it, for example, is our R&D hub in Galway. So software development for a large portion of HPE GreenLake is actually done out of our Galway office. And on the other side of the island, we've also got the Hewlett Packard Enterprises European Bank, which is based in Ireland, and that underpins the economics portion of GreenLake. So we really are at the cutting edge of what HPE is delivering. In doing this with Interxion, it really highlights how both HPE and Interxion puts the customer first. And together we will solve for the customer's journey to their hybrid cloud environment.
Our market size and scale allows us to try things in a way that you couldn't do in the whole of perhaps North America or bigger markets. In Asia, I've often seen South Korea used as a test to see if they can deploy bigger in Asia. Ireland's a perfect place to do that for Europe. And the fact that our companies can partner together in advance, there's no better place to do it. It's a tech hub and a gateway to Europe.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Maeve and Séamus.
Thank you.
Thank you.